Yo, Kartel, it's not the performance for me. You know what it is for me? It's the fact. Say, every song the man sing, the crowd reacts. And once you have that, you don't need to do nothing more. You can sit down in a cloud chair and say, yo, you say, and people say, ray. You see me?
And the sheep them say, ray.
No sheep. No sheep. Me see man go so boom. Your pussy coming like Bible. When you open up, me see.
Nuffy, Kartel bring you out and Kartel put you up on a different level, yes. But you have to remember, say, yo.
Uno not left no mark, no way wanna no go perform, no way. Uno not blood clot left no mark, no way wanna no perform. Nobody not talk about uno wanna no perform.
I am here to crown the cerebral luminary, Adija Azim Palmer.
So which other artists apart from Adija the teacher, the king of the dancehall, you see? Like, for the next probably 10 years or 5 years from now, if you say, yeah, then could have been king of the dancehall.
You see, if...
Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave.
Yo, big up all viewers, all subscribers. Welcome back to Rap and Chat, you see me? With your host, Trex Dan.
And Naz!
You don't know what things said, so I'll go and mad it.
We are there with my J.
We feel good.
My J. Yo, viewers and subscribers. Really appreciate everything, you see me? As usual, give the video a thumbs up, give it a subscribe. You see me?
Right,
and forward.
Yo, all Jamaican, all over viral. If you not see the video here, you don't know what to do. You subscribe, support the channel. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up on yourself.
Very entertaining.
Dog, Sunfest hot.
Sunfest hot, daddy. A Sunfest, man.
No, man. S-U-M. Sunfest.
And a S-U-N?
No, bro.
Let me look up it.
Bro. A Sunfest. Just listen to me, man. Sunfest.
A Sunfest or a Sunfest?
No, man. Sunfest.
From me, a little boy, and I grow to blood climb.
Yeah. When we done do the other video, I realize after a while, say a Sunfest. You know what I say?
Who's class? Sunfest.
A Sunfest.
Viewers and subscribers, a Jamaica, I come from. A Sunfest, you know.
Sunfest, yeah. Yeah, dog. So, where you have on your mind, you know, what you want to talk about?
Why?
The whole thing.
Chanel Muir is a good entertainer.
I like when you start out to the woman them. The woman them on Sunfest, big up on yourself.
Yes. Me not against slim woman. I love slim woman, I love. But you see thick woman, buckler, I have a different love for them. Honey, if you're seeing this, don't judge me. I'm just saying. This is for just entertainment purposes only. But Chanel Muir, good job, my girl. Outfit and point. You did it.
Yeah, I like her outfit, dog.
Yeah, I love how she come out, dog.
I like her songs, I like her performance.
I like her performance.
Yes,
and you know, this is what the festival is all about. Just like, Spice used to come out back in the day and lady song them people, Dog, I see him, the energy they may get from Chanel Muir, bro.
Yeah?
You see me, yeah.
I like her as a female artist still, you know. I like her positivity. I like her songs them.
Yeah.
You see me? I like how she motivate the female them. And she always positive. You know what I'm saying? So, Chanel Moore, you do your thing, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, Chanel Muir for Soundfest for woman them.
I'm talking about that too. Even Celine Dion as an international artist. Not Celine Dion, my bad. Not Celine Dion.
That's a Celine Dion.
Tony Braxton.
That's a weird.
Nah, man. My bad, man. Tony, I don't know why Celine Dion the my mind. Tony Braxton.
Yeah.
Tony Braxton, bro. One thing though, man, you how them keep themselves looking that young after so many years, bro.
Them a take one sitting name. We're not going to go there so now, but I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, but a long time I watch, I listen to
Braxton.
Tony Braxton, you know, bro.
Yeah, man.
Because she have some classic.
Yeah, me
She
see
do
one
her
little,
thing.
me see one little part of that, you see me? But big up the king of the dancehall. Don't know a thing said.
One big up Vybz Kartel. Enough respect. Because
My carry culture upon him back.
people them say you deserve the king. And I say it in the last video.
No,
say, yo.
people them are rephrase that.
Alright, so what you want me say?
No,
Are the
man,
people
you
them
know you
vote
have
me,
to
you know?
say. We the people.
No, man. The people them, man. What kind of we the people?
So you not agree?
The people them.
No,
bro.
so you not
Me
agree.
say where the people them do, are the people them see it, you know.
So you not
You
see?
understand what I'm saying?
You're not part of the people.
Bro, listen to what I'm saying. When
Are
I
you a
finish,
part of the people?
I'm not a part of the nation, okay? The sheep nation. I'm not a part of it, bro. So just relax. I'm just tell him man what I tell him on. Yo, but they no long chatting. Yo, Kartel, big up yourself. You see me, congratulations. If them say, yo, you deserve it, well, what me I gonna do about it? You deserve it.
Man,
big up yourself.
Man, still I said them, and if he say we, because I know that he is fully agreement.
Bro,
He's
me have
in-
a difference still, you know.
You're still
And
in
we are
a,
going out, you know.
You're still in an agreement.
We are going out.
You're still in an agreement.
My opinion, me not really business what nobody want to think. Me I go say what me want to say. But now I tell you, say, him not deserve it. You see me? The people them say, yo, Kartel, prove himself to be the king. Now him get crowned to be the king of the dance. Respect that. Respect that, bro. You understand me? I say now?
Alright, sir.
Alright, so I could dive deep into the show.
Yeah.
And you know, discuss some details.
So
about
which
it.
other artists apart from Adija the teacher, the king of the dancehall, you see? Like, for the next probably 10 years or 5 years from now, if you say, yeah, then could I be king of the dancehall?
You see, if Massacre keep on doing what I do, you say if Massacre continue upon that journey, the dog,
Yeah.
Massacre can be the next king.
Massacre can be the next king.
Yeah,
That
man.
is true.
And
In an agreement with you.
Yeah.
That is facts.
you know, say, I rate Alkaline, but I don't think him ready for the kingship yet. In proving himself to be a king, what you think it take?
You have to be a lyrical genius. Kartel, lyrically inclined. Kartel, have a fan base. Kartel, innovative.
Cultural impact.
The cultural impact. But you get what me I say.
Yeah.
So, me know say, the genocide man have that too. Me see it. Me just know say it a go be a long and hard road for him get there.
If him get there.
You see, Beanie Man, and a boy take that from Beanie Man, you know.
I know that.
Beanie Man is a performer. That is number one.
And Beanie Man have songs.
Wait now.
Yeah,
Beanie
but
Man is a
catalog.
performer. That's a number one. Beanie Man can make any crowd move. He not have to go up and they go down. He not have to go up and they go sing nothing. He just go and say, stang diggy diggy dang da dang da dang dang diggy da da da. Alright. You see me? Beanie Man have them thing about him, bro. You see me? So, anybody if you take it from Kartel dog, them have to come hard. Them have to come good.
Me hear Nuffy jump out. Then and Nuffy disappear artists them. You see me? He might diss up a bag of people.
No,
Me not even gonna say.
me can understand.
Right.
Me can
Hold
understand
on.
with Joshy thing. Me can
Yeah.
understand with Joshy
All
thing.
right. With Joshy thing. Me not really
Yeah.
business way ma do or whatever. But me hear Nuffy diss up the artists them. You see me? I mean know Nuffy passionate about Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yow.
But at the same time, you have to remember, say, yo, you're up on your IRs right now. And you're not always up on your IRs. I remember I say Kartel are shine and Kartel are soar at the moment. But remember,
I love that about the moment.
because it's true, bro. Kartel are soar. And we can admit, say Kartel are soar because Kartel, they're not the limelight. Nuffy, Kartel bring you out and Kartel put you up on a different level, yes. But you have to remember, say, yo, it not go always be this way. Because
That's true.
Beanie Man was there, Bounty Killer was there, Elephant Man was there, and you can go right back. Merciless, Ninja Man, all of them have them glorious moment.
That's true.
We see the Gaza camp already split up in a million different pieces. I remember everybody was loyal to Kartel. So when you come out and a diss up people, just remember, say, yo, the highest where you're depend right now, only hope you not come down. You see me? But me rate you as a MC, But yo, you have to watch him out sometime.
We can understand, and we can understand from your perspective, and we can understand from his perspective also. Reason why me say that, him must say, a lot of these artists, where them they know in a dancehall, like right now, none of them wouldn't be there if it wasn't for Kartel, and that's true. Remember, see what day I said to you, say, you know, just the other day I said to you, say, yo, enough of them man, where I do them big show, you know, they would have never gotten to this point, this stage in their life where they would have do them big show, yeah, if Kartel may come from prison and I do it. Reason being, me not talk about Beanie Man, and me not talk about Bounty Killer. Whole heap of other man have them visa years. And the only thing me ever see them do are sons. The only thing me ever see them do are sons, brother. Dog, enough of them no believe in themselves like how Kartel believe in himself, bro. And how Kartel bring dancehall to a level where them could I never do it, dog. But now that Kartel bring it to that level, everybody are gonna jump on the wagon and say, yo, at this more and this. You know what I mean? The man is saying, none of the man them will see. I say, yo, them want, like, they want the same amount of money or they want, you know, certain things like what Kartel I get now. None of them no post the man and I say, yo, congrats. Like, you're in a one fraternity and the man get crowned king and nobody na post the dog and say, yo, congrats, me G, Ray. As a friend, just like if it was me and you become king
successful.
Yeah. Me I go post you and me I go give you your props. And whether me and you tight or not either. If we in the same fraternity, bro, me I go give you love. You see me? And that, he must say, none of the artists them na give, the man love where them should I not give.
We can agree on that point. Zin, we can agree on that point where, yeah, the artists them now show, say, boy, you know, Kartel deserve it or whatever the case is. But at the same time, dog, we have to know, say, yo, Kartel right now put dancehall on a level, but Kartel is not the only man in a dancehall.
But a Kartel been a care dancehall.
No, but listen now, let me explain something to you. Zin, because you always explain to me, you know. So boy, you struggle in your chair now, but let me explain something to you.
Yeah, bro.
Now, me say it already, I'm going to say it again. 90% or 99% of Kartel song where Kartel do right now or a sing at stage shows are not his new song. Are the songs them from in catalog.
Yes.
Which is, me not say it's not good song because those songs has longevity. And that a way my use. So it's not like Kartel come out of prison with a bunch of new song where it soar him to the top. No,
bro.
Exactly.
Yeah.
99% of them was before prison.
Yeah.
And while him in prison, he did do some hit song in a prison.
Yeah.
Them me hear people say, yo, Afrobeat did a run it and Afrobeat did a beat dancehall and whatever.
That's true.
But even so be the case, what different what Kartel can do? Nothing different because of the same old songs before Afrobeat. You understand what I say?
Yes.
So exactly. So him coming now and do what him do is just highlighting the catalog of music when do from in the past.
I can say something now.
You get what I say?
I understand everything what I say, but I can say something.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Pray this. You say Kartel new song, them now run road and they now do this and they now do that. I'm going to explain something to you. You see the amount of song where Kartel have in a catalog, bro? Kartel no need a new song.
You don't need to perform the new song.
Kartel no need to do that none at all, brother.
What? You don't need a new song or you don't need to...
Him no need a new song.
Or you don't need to perform
him no need a new song. Him no need to perform a new song. Kartel does add more to his catalog.
But Kartel still do new songs now.
Yes.
So you say no need it.
Because I love when I feel craft, bro.
But when me tell people say, and tell you say, yo, it not have the same substance, you know, beat me.
What you mean not have the
why
same
not do it? You don't have it. That's why I'm not perform them.
Which artist lyrically inclined like Vybz Kartel?
Bro,
which
just
artist?
Point out Massacre.
Listen, Massacre lyrically inclined, but
of course.
Not as Vybz Kartel, bro. Me can't tell you that.
No, a Vybz Kartel has an edge. You ask me which one similar. Vybz Kartel do have an edge, and me agree.
Let me assure you say, Kartel performing at these shows, that Kartel don't need to perform a new song. Let me tell you what Kartel is. Kartel is a fairy tale to a lot of people.
It's not a fairy tale.
Listen, let me explain why I say that. Kartel is a fairy tale to a lot of people. You know why? When Kartel was in his prime back then, people been hearing about this Vybz Kartel. This Vybz Kartel did have teachers pet in the music industry pan a chokehold. Saying, boom, this man just disappear and go in a prison.
That's the next thing I want to talk about. All right.
Man goes a boom and disappear and go in a prison. See? Even when the man there prison, man still a pump out music. The man pump out music so till he get gold and silver. Watch this, you know. A lot of people now, even if them not love Vybz Kartel, them want to witness Vybz Kartel on stage. Even if them not like him.
Stick a pin. Stick a pin. Stick a pin. No, I'm tired for hear this. I'm tired for hear Kartel and prison, Kartel and prison. I'm going to tell you this, bro. One have to understand, say, a Kartel put himself a prison. It was Kartel own downfall that caused Kartel to be behind bars. Nobody else.
Well,
so when you not blame and I say,
nobody not blame.
No, hold on, you talk. So listen to what me I say. See? When you not talk about Kartel prison, Kartel this and that, it was because of Kartel fault why Kartel was behind bars.
But nobody never say nobody else.
Okay, then we need to stop use that as a forefront. Because listen, nobody no put him behind bars, bro. I'm trying to tell you this before. Kartel was on a high before prison.
Listen.
So when Kartel go a prison, bro, hold on. When Kartel slide off and gone in a prison, because I'm downfall and because of theme shortcomings, him slide off on a high. You understand? So now that the people, they miss the high. It's like a cocaine or drugs. They miss the high, bro. So for the 13 years, Kartel live behind bars. The people, them still, because that's where him slide off on the high. So when him come back out, you have to listen to the teacher now. So when him come back out, dog, it's like him fan base already there. I mean, I say him not gain new fans. But him have, as me said, dog, listen to Kartel performance. Be here the other day, now the previous video, you give Kartel 18 out of performance. Bro, if it was me, Kartel get 2 or less out of the 20. Dog, I could go back in a Sumfest. Even when you watch Kartel in a Sumfest, Zane, the people are responding to Kartel because of the music, not because of Kartel performance. Kartel have 0 performance, like
we can't say something.
In performance ability, dog, is crap.
We can't say something.
You see me?
We can't say something.
But in catalog of music is something else. And it's something different.
Alright, so let me ask you, let me say something now. You say man performance, whack and it crack and it whack. Then you have these artists and entertainers who can perform and do all these things, but yet still they can't draw 10,000 people. But a man we can't perform, I draw 50 and 20 and 30,000.
Trex, we cement this idea already. The reason why Kartel have that pulling power, bro, we can't take that from him. The people are on a high. Kartel has been missing for 13 years. Therefore, Kartel is going to pull that massive crowd. And we agree. I said no.
Guys, want to comment and tell me. One second. People want to comment and tell me. Zane,
hold on.
Watch this, you know. If a man got prison for 13 years, 13 years ago, he did have the people in Pana High. This is what he's saying, you know. He did have the people in Pana High 13 years ago. Zane?
Yeah, man, I listen to you.
All right, boom.
Me I talk to.
Boom. Me I talk to my people. Watch this now, people. The man got prison for 13 years, and the man come back out. So he tell me, say, all these people where they dip on the eye, they sit down and wait.
Yes.
Because
a loyal sheep. Loyal rash sheep. What do you mean by yes? Me answer.
So man have so much fans worldwide sit down and wait on him.
Bro. Let me give you a scenario right now before you go further. If, God forbid, Michael Jackson come back, just for argument's sake, or Bob Marley come back, what would you think? Let me ask you that.
Dog, that me.
What would you think?
That me did
Wouldn't
get
you
to.
think the people them would have gone back on a high for Bob Marley, gone back on a high for Michael Jackson?
And watch out, me this show you say these men are not. Listen, listen, these men are not normal, bro. These men are 1 in 10 million. 1 in 10 million.
But me not say no.
So no, that's why me tell you say Kartel. Kartel is like a fairy tale, bro.
It's not a fairy tale, bro. It's not.
Michael Jackson is like a fairy tale.
No.
Listen, Bob Marley is like a fairy tale. These men are, no matter, look on Chronix. Chronix is a big artist. Bad artist. You can't compare Chronix to Bob Marley.
No.
So now that me I show you, brother.
You can't do that.
So you can't compare them little man to Vybz Kartel. You cannot.
Why me can't do that?
Oh, you have to do that.
The reason why me can't compare them, Zane wanna make it look like Kartel is the only one in dancehall. Dog, I'm show you where the rest of laugh. No, I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you something because me hear Nuffy say sitting in a dog. And Nuffy say there is not or never going to be another King of Dancehall.
No, Nuffy really say that.
Let me tell you this, I fuck your chat, brother. You know, in a sense.
Yo.
I don't people alone think they
We're
made
gonna
it.
go back to the Sumfest.
Yeah.
What you think about governor performance?
Honestly, dog, me think Governor and Massacre take the whole Sumfest.
No.
In my perspective, Governor have one of the baddest performance and Massacre that. But me put Massacre above Governor.
You see governor performance, it was heartwarming. You see me?
Yeah, man.
No homo, but bro, me love how you honor your mother. You see me?
Yeah.
Love how you honor your mother. You put your mother up on a stage, bro, where enough boy nah do. Governor did well.
Very well. In my eyes, the argument did exceptionally well.
In the well. Massacre.
Oh God.
And next one, Massacre.
Yeah.
Tear up the place.
Hey man, bring the energy out.
Massacre tear up the place.
Hey man, bring the energy. That
What you have to say about Massacre?
Yeah. One favorite song we have about Massacre still of all time. Man a king in our earth. You know me I say that? You know that song there? You see King in our earth, dog, is a powerful song. And talking about that, this represent that.
Bombaka, you cheer again.
Yeah, dog. Well, yeah.
Boy, I
Massacre, the performance was exceptional. I don't understand when I said, oh, your last time performing at Sumfest, car. Probably the time where you go perform again at that time, the middle plan to go. You see me?
And listen,
what you think? What happened? Why him say that?
Dog, sometimes I just contract shit, or some people want more money, or some I always something. Watch this now. You see Dunce man?
Come on. Jamal.
Yeah. I feel like Jamal did a good job. Even though him never get the bands and whatever.
Without the bands.
Yeah, he did a good job. But the artist who me think do it the best.
Mm-hmm. Come on, me go ask
the artist who me think did it the best.
God, let me hear this.
Is the Joker himself. Skeng.
Oh.
Remember me tell you, let me tell you this. Everybody talk about performance, everybody talk about Skeng. He was a rock star, dog. Rock fucking star.
Dog.
Remember me tell you.
He go on with him thing still. He doing thing. Him full of energy just the same way, dog. Yo, the whole of the artists them, dog. Them bring them A game, but Kartel was a B minus.
Buckler, man. Kartel get the most forward out of Soundfest.
Bro.
But watch this now.
Bro, we need to talk about the man performance.
Watch this now. You can't talk about performance. That be nice. Listen. I know say a whole heap of people are going to say, yo, hey, man, makeup and the man, listen, man, come out as the fucking Joker. When we say man come out as?
It's King to you know that. But
man come out, listen up.
Yes, the
man come out as the Joker, face paint just like a Joker. And when me say man touch his stage and Skeng is a different type of artist. I care zero where people want to say. Skeng are the man. Me think Skeng get him most forward. That's a number one. Me think Skeng get him most forward. Apart from Kartel.
So I don't understand. Who get the most forward for you?
Vybz Kartel.
And then Skank second.
And then Skank second.
All right.
You see me?
Me think it was Massacre.
Most heartfelt was Governor. Cause you know people love them like a something there. You know them mama love thing there and proud of mommy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So Governor grabbed the part there.
But then you see, you have to also big up Governor Mother to stand beside him because you know have as much as our governor bring him mother on stage.
Yeah.
Because I know every mother stand beside them kids, you know.
I can tell you something?
No, because I said that.
Yeah.
You know, right? Because you have some mother out there when they stand beside them kids. And when they see them kids in the glory and the limelight, then that's when they present themselves. So you also, no, I'm just saying, before you tell me, you also have to say, yo, respect goes out to the mothers them we stand with them child.
Most mother do that still. You have most mother will stand with them child, yeah. But I want to tell you something. And you probably not going to believe. You know, say Governor Mother. You probably know Governor Mother.
Me?
A me pen Governor Mother used to sell, you know.
You probably do.
Governor Mother used to sell clothes at me pen. Big up Governor Mother. I remember me tell you, big up me pen.
So yo, we still not here before we jump out, people. Because we don't want to hold it up too long, you know. Yeah. We still need to hear this man discuss Kartel performance in detail.
Yo, Kartel, it's not the performance for me. You know what it is for me? It's the fact. Say, every song the man sing, the crowd reacts. And once you have that, you don't need to do nothing more. You can sit down in a blood clot chair and say, yo, you say, hey, and people say, ray. You see me?
And the sheep them say, ray.
No sheep.
All right.
Listen. Me see man go so boom. You say coming like Bible. When you open up, me see. Everybody a sing.
Yeah, dog. Them song they are classic.
Right, so me just show you say. The man no need to go up, they go.
Bro, nobody dance so just stand up.
That's alright. The man no need to go up, they go do no. You see me? All the man have to do. The man I get the reaction of the crowd, and that is what matters.
Alright. Now listen what me I say.
See me?
Zane, I'm gonna be frank. I'm not about to stay too long on this.
Frank. I'll be Michelle.
Alright. Hear me answer that. Listening to Vybz Kartel, Zane, it seems like I'm at a party, basically. Just listening to Vybz Kartel songs, because that's where it happened really. Kartel really adjust him songs. It's like Kartel are the MC for him own song. Basically. So you can't say a lie.
So what's wrong with that?
You agree?
You know, that's a try to take
do you man. Agree? I'm not trying, bro. You see, I don't understand on that. I don't like when man be honest. I don't like when people tell them perspective about Kartel.
No, man travel the whole world and come back and
bro, we don't deny that. That's not nothing to do with what me just said a while ago. We're talking about the performance. Just like, oh, you can big up Skank, you can big up Governor, you can big up this and you can big up that. Why is it so hard for you to admit that? Dog, me say, listening to Kartel performance, we're not talking about him hit song them because Kartel song them are classic. Listening to him performance is like Kartel is his own MC for him song. Because Kartel no do no performance more than just sing a few words in his song and the crowd them respond yes.
I don't see say cock mouth kill cock.
Jaw break on that man. Jaw break on that. What the fuck you talk about mouth kill cock? And bro, yeah people, yeah, the podcast done. Done. Big up on yourself. Yo, remember to hit that subscribe button. Done, we done yourself. Yo, to success.
I don't know what Jacob, my blood clad.